Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate the PostGrid plugin in WordPress. This is a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks, and it's useful when you want to temporarily disable the plugin without completely removing it from your site. First, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard by logging into your website. Simply open your browser, navigate to your site's admin URL, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Now look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with several options related to plugin management. Go ahead and select Installed Plugins from that submenu. This is where WordPress displays all the plugins currently installed on your website, whether they're active or inactive. You'll now see a complete list of your installed plugins displayed on the screen. This page shows you the name of each plugin, its description, and most importantly, the current status of whether it's active or deactivated. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the PostGrid plugin. You can also use the search bar at the top right if you have many plugins installed and want to find it quickly. Once you've found the PostGrid in your list of plugins, you'll notice action links directly below its name. These typically include options like Settings, Edit, or Deactivate. Simply click on Deactivate. The moment you click this button, WordPress will immediately deactivate the plugin, and you'll see the page refresh with a confirmation message at the top. The plugin will now show as inactive, and its functionality will no longer be running on your website. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated the PostGrid plugin from your WordPress site, which means it's still installed but not actively running or affecting your website's performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.